Hi friends.
Hey friends.
We are here with the big chunky chew celebrations box. I don't even know how many packs I can count them. 8-ish?
8-ish.
We got 3 over here as well, and we did find the Vmax box, the premium collection Black Friday deal, $20 for 8 packs. So we're gonna open this one too, and we do have 2 more we're gonna do a pack battle with later. I'm not sure if you want to do it or we're gonna do it with Tarlin. Let us know down in the comments. You want them two to battle? I do. Let us know. Alright, we'll open this box after this box. So, put this out of the way here. Oh man. So, I've had a lot of people, or I've seen a lot of videos where people open this up and their Pikachu's tail is actually not attached. It's already broken
Really?
off. Yeah. Like even
I hope that's
big
not the case.
big ones like Pokerev's did, Unlisted Leafs his did, just broken right off right away. It wasn't even. They just took it out of this and it was broke. So let's see. Maybe they got an earlier box than we did. I'm not sure. Oh, and we got 2 of these cards. The Pikachu Vmax card. It's like an alternate art, and then this is also an alternate art, which you can get this out of the Japanese or Chinese set, right out of the card packs. But the English set, we do not get them out of this. All right, we got 4 packs and 4 packs, 8 packs. Side, and let's see if my Pikachu's tail is attached. It is. It's pretty solid on there, actually. Whoa, it's like rubber and a lot heavier than you think.
Oh, okay, that is weird.
It's like almost like a pop toy, but like it's heavy. That's way heavier than you would think.
That's so cute.
Whoa, it looks cool from above. That is awesome.
I wonder if it lit up or
cool.
something.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
The tail would light up. That'd be
Alright,
cool.
so you guys can view it from the top, I guess. Because I don't have a stand that'll hold it this way, and I don't want to break his tail off. So, he'll just be sitting there. Very cool. You guys seen this? That's for those 2 cards in the front. Alright. Bunch of packs. Taking these later. And guys, I need that card up there. That Venusaur. Wish me luck. Coin flips. Can't forget the coin flips. Ooh, 1 head's for you. 1 head's for me. Alright, next one's. Oh, when you got that heads, I thought you were gonna win. The last one, Tarlin won. The one before that, last one I won against Tarlin. The one before that, I won against you. I don't know. Did I get another one of Charizard coins that just guarantees?
Right.
I'm not sure, but that is a different Charizard coin that I'm using. It's not the same one. Oh, I'm trying to do card tricks, and there's only 4 cards. All right. Try not to blind you by the light. Ho-Oh, Cosmoium, Lugia, and Lunala. Oh, I hope the Venusaur gets pulled. It's like the #1 card I want to see. Oh, the Umbreon Cold Star. Yes, that is the second time. The second time we pulled that. Very cool. This one's up there in rarity too. So I'm glad we got 2 of those. All right. You win. Still haven't gotten shiny Magikarp, which is up there too in the rarity. Of course, no Charizard. Oh, why do I keep trying to do card tricks? It's like
second nature.
yeah. Got Ho-Oh, Palkia, and another Professor's Research full art. Very cool. Not a bad pull at all.
Here.
You think it is?
Maybe.
I brought scissors.
Oh, did not even see those.
The flying Pikachu. That's what you were feeling. One of her favorite cards.
I'm pretty sure I pull them all the time.
Yeah, this set they're pretty common in this set. Oh. And got Cosmog, Yveltal. The Clefairy needed that guy. Awesome. Definitely needed that guy. I'm glad to have it. Welcome to the collection and a Mew. Awesome.
That is awesome.
Very cool. See something sparkling in there.
I did too.
Oh yes, another Tapu Lele. Awesome.
You have that one?
Yep.
Alright.
People are saying no, this isn't up there with the rare ones as well. So very cool. You got two very rare ones. Alright. So far, this hasn't really disappointed me at all. This box is really good. I did it again, guys. No surprise. Cosmoem, Exernius, and a Zacian V. Ultra rare. Almost a pull in every pack so far. Like ultra rare or better.
Alright. Put your guys in here.
I don't know. Pull
Pretty
in
much
every
getting
pack.
like
I don't
hard
know
as
about this
a
one.
Mimikyu, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, that one was backwards.
And it's like faded.
A little bit.
That's weird. Came out of the same area. The same box.
Kyogre and a Mew.
Right. So I don't know how I can't judge it off of that. I'm glad we have these packs to help us judge who's gonna be the winner. Which one do you want for the winning pack?
I don't know. You choose.
Some Chilling Reign for the winning pack. I'm gonna get Darkness, unless you want Darkness.
You take what you want.
Alright. We have pulled the Charizard out of this guy, but I would be happy to see another one. We got Energy, Flaffy, Carnivine, Parasol, Larvesta, Morlul, Toxel, Skitty, Relicanth, and an Ampharos. I personally have not been getting decent pulls out of any of these extra packs. I think I got one, that Leopard, which is a ultra rare. That was about it. Let's see what this one can bring.
Oh, you open these after those, I feel like
Yeah.
a lot of cards.
I think that's where everyone's saying they're having problems with it, is because they're pulling a lot of good stuff and then they're whoa.
Ooh.
All right, an amazing rare, we'll take it.
And...
Oh, double.
Talon Flame V.
Get a little double cheeseburger action
That
going
is
on.
very cool.
Man, you got lucky hands today.
Let's keep that
Very cool. I like that card actually. That looks really cool.
It's very cool.
Like that. That is cool. Getting a lot of great pulls. Alright, so we still have more cards, guys. $20 box for 8 packs.
I just forgot about that.
So 4 packs is usually about $20. If you think about $5 a pack, especially in boxes like this where you get the promos and everything. So it's almost half off. It's a really good deal actually. I personally think that it's an amazing deal. We got 2 more boxes of these as well. You said there was a bunch of them.
Yeah, there's a ton of those.
Yeah, and I have seen them everywhere, but people were getting them in darkness, vivid voltage, and actually trying to sell them. I couldn't believe that. I'm just gonna pick the packs because you want I'm sure you want those.
Yeah.
Just, what if I pull your Mimikyu? And then, is this alright, or do you want something else? Okay. There was a code card in there for that stuff. Have fun with it. Alright. So, I'm still first. So my pulls, it's 3. Her pulls, 4. So far. Let's see what else we can get. Let's do Darkness Ablaze. Charizard pack. I haven't heard too much about these boxes though, except for that their code cards are upside down, so you know if you got something or not, which actually isn't true. I've pulled stuff out of green code cards plenty of times to know that sometimes them green code cards will surprise you. Not always. Yes, it's rare. Darmanitan. But they will. They will surprise you. I think I've done it 3 times now total on the channel on video. Already got a green code card and got a pull out of it. It's still,
Yeah.
still tells you.
Yeah.
I wish I didn't know about that. But everybody knows about it.
Snubble.
Copper Raja.
And I'm down metal.
Okay.
Gee.
Not even a hollow rare out of this yet. This is the last Darkness Ablaze pack. I really don't want to. So, oh, I flipped it over.
Surprise.
Surprise, guys. Hit alert. Hit alert. Catch them all 22. I think of him every time. Loudred. Winden Stadium. Zipstrika. Weedle. Taillow. Sandile. Oshawott. Pineco. Skidoo. And a Drapion V. First pull so far out of that $20 Black Friday deal box.
Alright, Mimikyu time.
Yep. I hope she pulls it.
I'm searching so long.
Oh, green code.
hate these
I don't
code
like
cards.
codes. I don't like that the codes give away.
I know. You should just.
And now that in Fusion Strike, they actually made new codes. But they also give it away in those codes, so. Like,
Trash. Nothing good.
you almost did it right. Alright, Vivid Voltage. Mary pulled the rainbow last up. Mary pulled the rainbow last time, so if I pull a rainbow Pikachu, I'll be very happy. I haven't got him yet. Mary pulled him and then stole him. No, just kidding.
I do steal a lot of Pikachus, but.
Yeah. Especially from that celebration set. We got Beauty and a Magearna. Mimikyu. Mimikyu. Mimikyu.
Delectables, Glider, Honage, Bug, Corfish, and a Anaconda. Next you, Pig.
Okay. Alright, my last pack. And I'm not winning this battle. I already could see it. I have lost a long time ago.
You have time.
Yep. Green code. Let's see what we can get for green code. This is loose. Oh, you can't. Skull pin. It's a real fish. Look it up. That reminds us of it. That's skull pin. Ooh, reverse Starvia. Cool. Let's see what else you can get.
Alright.
I like that patch of Reese's.
Yeah. Ruby. Onyx. Marmalade. A Grumpig. Oh, it's purple.
It's purple.
It's purple.
It's a Mimikyu.
It's
It's not the
Mimikyu.
exact one we're looking for, but it is a Mimikyu. I'm so happy. Awesome. That new Celebrations collection test. Collection chest. It's actually a lunchbox.
Yeah.
That one has a Mimikyu in it. I have to get that for her. To make sure she gets one of those. Sure.
Need it.
Alright. Battle styles. Different pile. You won. Chilling Rain. Let's see if we can get that Moltres. What do you think?
That'd be amazing.
Yeah. We have not pulled that one. I got the regular one, but not that alternate art.
Yes, form. Reverse Melamar.
Oh!
Ooh.
A rainbow rare. That is amazing.
That is
You have
beautiful.
very good luck hands right now.
That is a
That
very
is
pretty
really
card.
cool. Wow. I can't believe how much stuff you pulled. That is crazy. That is a beautiful card.
Okay.
Wow, that is cool.
That's very cool.
I saw like something like white in the V thing going on over there, and I got all excited. I thought maybe it was the one you want, but that one's a really good card too. Can't complain about that.
Mm-mm.
Very fun. So you win.
That doesn't happen very often.
I won the coin flip. Does that count? For something.
Yeah.
Something. All right, we got the Pikachu.
Very cute.
That is awesome.
You feel fat.
That is cool. I'm glad. Great polls. Great polls. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're new and you made it this far, consider subscribing. We really appreciate that and would like to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.
Hi, friends.